Comes the family, ready for today. Here's Ewan. What's up, Ewan?
Nothing.
Here comes Tava, ready for today. Here comes Stone, ready for the day. Here comes Mom. Whoa. Mom.
Day. We're
heading to the cable car in Quito.
Day 2, let's go.
Day 2.
You know what they say, whenever in doubt, follow the money. Let's follow this bank machine. That was a long drive, eh guys?
Yeah.
Well, not really. It was 10 minutes straight uphill though. Just gonna grab some tickets and head on up the cable car. 35 bucks.
Yeah.
Gracias. Number 8, feeling great. Looks like we picked a misty day.
Misty.
Well, we came up here and the guy said it's always cloudy. I'm not sure. Anyways, here's a look at where we are. We are in one of these places. That's where we're going tomorrow, Cotopaxi. Wow, look at the view from this place. It's amazing. Just kidding. So we're up over 12,000 feet. I'll look it up. We're up high. It's hard breathing. You gotta breathe heavy. Pretty crazy. You're always short of breath. Just on a little hike. I was just about to go and try to find some deer, but not allowed to hunt up here, so we'll just walk instead. The family, they're laggards. They're always a little bit behind. Sometimes our family gets into squabbles.
Just goes back and forth, back and forth. She just, why don't you want to walk by me?
This is called the family dynamic.
I just want a little space. She just wants to be alone.
Mom wants space.
I keep stopping.
Do any other families ever have squabbles?
Mom, if you want space, then stop walking with us. Like,
See? Now you stopped. I'm not kidding.
it's because Dad stopped. Look at Tava. She hates us all. Get a load of this guy.
There goes the alpaca, the mountain goat.
Tava, if you come up here, I'll give you a piggyback ride. But you gotta hurry up. I'm now some unit.
The altitude, the air up here, wafer thin,
Yeah.
ultra thin.
Yeah.
The altitude is getting the best of me.
Altitude.
Better than Mom's attitude.
The air is as thin as Mom's patience.
Whoa,
Got him.
snipe.
That was so good.
At 12,000 feet though, it's not that cold.
It's surprisingly warm, actually.
Okay, we're gonna go this way, then we're gonna go that way. This is sweet. What do you guys think? It's cool, right? Despite the fog, our adventure at Pichincha Volcano was unforgettable. Riding in the cable car was a thrill, and our family squabbles along the way made the day even more special. Towering at over 13,000 feet, the kids loved exploring the unique park with its cool flora and fauna, adding to all the magic. I hope to return on a sunny day to take it all in. That would be wicked. Ooh, nice move. Hey, you guys, what do you rank the walk on the mountain?
I gave it a 7.
7? 9?
I say 9. It was just a bit cold, but not bad.
And this guy said go to the other side. Haha, I'm winning the race.
Oh, no, you're not!
Gracias. All the way here? No, here. No, you don't. Yeah, hop on. No, don't. Can we get on? Next one, you and I can on. Let's go.
You guys are sending mixed messages.
That's okay. We speak hand signals. Well, let's have a look at Quito.
Don't drop that.
Ooh,
If you drop it, it's gone. Forever. There's no getting this back.
Quito, you're so high up.
That's not a dinosaur.
Don't drop it.
Is it worth it, Mom? Is it worth
I
it?
said that once.
Okay, the squabbling continues.
This actually could not be any smaller. Hey!
Oh my god. Yes, this is how I like it. One
No,
side to
Taylor, come
myself.
back.
Oh yeah, look at right
Oh, no,
there.
that's a horse.
And a horse.
Oh, those are my horses.
Two
Horse,
horses.
cow. Well, look at us. We're animal lovers.
Actually, that one horse really looks like a cow.
It does. Yeah, I thought it was a cow.
Special car.
I just
Gracias,
want to give you
amigo.
the transport tomorrow. You can
I'm
walk
renting a car today. Hola. How much was the taxi, Dana?
$6.
$6.
Like $6 US.
So 24 Canadian. So we're saying goodbye to Quito for now. We're on our way to get our car. We just left our hotel 3 minutes ago and we're at the car in 1 minute. That's called convenience. Mucho conveniado. Good Spaniel. Si, mamacita. Let's get this car and rip it. I can see the cable cars in the distance. There's the little waterfall we saw all the way up there. It looks more clear now. This is where we get our car. Let's lock and load. What are you guys doing? Staying busy?
Yeah.
Hey, you ready to see the car? The hot rod? Here's the new rig.
Okay, we got our new car. What do you guys think? You in?
You want to get a video of me? Whoa, nice pano, babe. Here we are, downtown Quito. We're making our way to the middle of the world. Going right to the equator. Gonna put one leg in the north and one leg in the south. It's a north-south maneuver. Is this the one, babe?
Take a right.
Right. I got my co-pilot. She already made me miss a turn. In Quito still. It's a long drive to get to this place. My co-pilot just about got laid off. She's gonna have to apply for EI. You know when you have a worker and you're like, oh, I think you'd be really good at a different job. I'll lay you off so you can collect EI until you find your next form of employment. Because co-piloting ain't your jam. You gotta be so careful, Dane.
Do you want me to hold that?
No, I'm good. I just got smashed. But I didn't even get a honk.
You're the one who's driving.
I know, right?
What?
Oh God, it's crazy downtown Quito. But sometimes you just gotta put your nose out there and get into business. Keep your nose to the
We're
grindstone.
still on the blue line.
Yeah. Pilot to pilot. Good job. Over and out. How's it going back there, dudes? You guys finally made it. We used like 4 gigs of data, 68 wrong turns, but we got here. Hey, I don't think the bananas in Ecuador taste a little bit different, like almost like a slight crunch in there. Maybe because it's so fresh. I don't know. Here comes Dana and Sloan. They got lost again. Okay.
Ice cream in Spanish.
You and found the line. There it is, bro. There's the equator. Just gonna walk on the equator here for a little bit. Ready? Center of the world or just center of my heart? That's where you belong. Centro. Give us a little twirl, babe.
Just coming down from that drive.
Sloan's easy peasy. So this is Mitad del Mundo, the center of the earth, where the north and south hemispheres meet. The kids absolutely love this place and we all had a blast just walking around this unique park. Now I did learn a valuable lesson here. If you plan on flying a drone, you're going to need a special permit. During my little unauthorized flight, the security came running over pretty quickly to, well, shake me down here. Luckily, I was able to talk my way out of the situation, and the police gave me a get-out-of-jail-free card. You know how they say, ask for forgiveness, not permission? Well, that happened. Sloan's doing a video, so I'm videoing her. He's right on the equator.
Stop wrecking my videos, guys. This is not how you go TikTok famous. I promise.
The weather here is absolutely perfect.
Yeah.
Not too hot, not too cold. What do you think? Sporty?
You're talking to me?
Yeah.
I think it's perfect.
What do you think?
I think it would be perfect if would let me get my video.
We have a stork. TikTok star down there. There's Quito way over in the background over there. And just up this way, the llamas. Look at this, no prob llama. I'm just here for the llamas. Deva, are you feeding the llama?
Llamas are smaller than alpacas.
Are you guys lovers? Llamas or alpaca?
Llama.
These are llamas?
There is llama, alpaca, vicuna, suri, guanaco. 5 different.
Wow, what's the favorite food?
Alfalfa.
Alfalfa.
You can get there. $1.
Oh, that's nothing. $1. Here we got the food. These guys are hungry.
Yeah, they are. No pulling.
This guy's got a nice face.
Yeah, I like this dude.
You going for a ride?
Yes.
Yes. I don't have any money.
No, I said me.
Oh, he doesn't either.
Yeah, I do.
Oh. I'm gonna see if I can get this guy to blow his whistle. We found this famous guy. I don't know, his name is not on here. If anybody knows, let me know. He looks very happy. Because of you, I walk the line. Okay, that was a bad joke.
That was pretty good. Should we go ring the bell? It's like, turn it on.
Look at that. Toronto, only 4,877 kilometers away. Not bad. Just leaving, heading for our next hotel. Let's go. Anna's got the camera in her hand and it started raining. We're talking sheets of rain right now. We just arrived at our new hotel. It's called Casa Saki. And what's your name again? Bahola. It's a nice name. Hard for me to say. It's nice here. Our room is pretty awesome. Tomorrow we're getting ready to hit Cotopaxi. First, we're going out for some dens. The kids are about to make a really loud noise with Jenga.
Having this video.